This video I will explain mobile recharge using Google Pay. A mobile recharge means adding money to your mobile number so you can continue using calls, SMS and mobile data. Google Pay allows you to recharge your mobile phone directly from your bank account using UPI. UPI stands for Unified Payments Interface. The entire process usually takes only a few minutes. Now we will see what is Google Pay. Google Pay is a digital payment app. You can use Google Pay to send money, receive money, pay bills, recharge your mobile, make online and offline payments. Google Pay transfers money securely through your bank account. What do you need before recharging? Before you recharge your mobile, make sure you have a Google Pay account, a linked bank account, a registered mobile number, a working internet connection, enough money in your bank account, and your UPI PIN. Now we will see what are the different steps involved in mobile recharge. Step 1. Open the Google Pay. Open the Google Pay app on your phone. Unlock the Google Pay app if required. Make sure you are using the correct Google Pay account. Step 2. Select the mobile recharge. Look for the mobile recharge option. Tap Mobile Recharge. If you do not see the option immediately, use the search feature inside the app. Step 3. Enter the mobile number. Type the mobile number you want to recharge. You can also choose a number from your phone contacts. Carefully check the number before continuing. Step 4. Confirm the mobile operator. A mobile operator is a company that provides your mobile service. For example, Jio, Airtel, VI, BSNL. Google Pay may detect the operator automatically. If needed, select the correct operator manually. Step 5. Choose a recharge plan. A recharge plan is a package that provides services for a specified period. You may see plans that include unlimited calls, mobile data, SMS, and validity. Validity is nothing but number of days the plan remains active. Choose the plan that best matches your needs. Step 6. Review the recharge details. Before making the payment, carefully check mobile number, operator, recharge amount, and selected plan. Checking these details helps to avoid recharging the wrong number or selecting the wrong plan. Step 7. Make the payment. Tap Proceed or Pay. Then enter your UPI PIN. A UPI PIN is a secret number that authorizes payments from your bank account. Never share your UPI PIN with anyone. Step 8. Wait for confirmation. Google Pay sends the payment request to your bank. After successful processing, you usually see payment successful and recharge successful. You may also receive an SMS from your mobile operator, a notification from Google Pay. How to check recharge history? You have to open the Google Pay, go to activity or transaction history, and you have to find the recharge transaction. You can check recharge amount, mobile number, date and time, and transaction status. Now we will see the real life example. Imagine Rahul wants to recharge his Airtel mobile. He opens Google Pay. He selects mobile recharge. He enters his mobile number. Google Pay detects Airtel automatically. Rahul chooses a 399 rupees recharge plan. He checks all the details. He enters his UPI PIN. Within a few seconds, the payment is successful. Rahul receives a confirmation message from both Google Pay and Airtel. What if the recharge fails? Sometimes a recharge may not complete successfully. Possible reasons are poor internet connection, bank server problem, insufficient bank balance, and a temporary issue with the mobile operator. If this happens, check the transaction status in Google Pay. Wait for a few minutes. Check whether the amount was deducted. You have to contact Google Pay or your mobile operator if the issue continues. Now we will see the safety tips. Always verify the mobile number before paying. Never share your UPI PIN and OTP. Use only the official Google Pay app. Check the recharge amount before confirming the payment. Keep your phone protected with a screen lock. What are the benefits of using Google Pay for mobile recharge? Fast payments, easy to use, no need to visit a recharge shop, digital payment record, recharge anytime and from anywhere. Here you can see the summary of whatever we have discussed.